Assalamu alaikum viewers, Vedi Media College, your host Muhammad Usman. Viewers, in this video, you can learn how to create a motion banner in Adobe After Effects. So let's start creating a composition and rename to main. And here, creating a solid layer for background. Now select the rectangle tool and draw here and apply the effect wave warp. Change the setting like this and now pre-compose this layer and rename to waveform. Now change the rotation and set the position here. Okay, now import your footage and scale down, set the position, pre-compose this and rename to product. Okay, now go to position and press P, add the keyframe and change the position at the first frame. Okay, now select the ellipse tool, draw here, and apply the effect fast blur. And add the keyframe at opacity, change the opacity setting. Okay, now create the duplicate layer of this background layer by Control D. And apply the effect gradient ramp, change the color. And now select this effect and copy and paste on wave composition. Okay, now select this layer and select pen tool, create mask like this. Okay, now press P for position and add keyframe and change the position. Okay, now create a new composition and rename to ribbon. Okay, now select pen tool, create a mask here by pressing shift and set the stroke at 100. Select this layer and go to this tool and select the trim paths. Add here keyframe. Okay, now create a duplicate layer of this by Control T and change the position. Can create one more duplicate and press G to change it and change the color like this. Drop down from both layers. Okay. And set the keyframe as it. Add the keyframe at start and change the value like this. Okay. Now create a text here. Okay. And apply the effect large scale. Go to text and change the keyframe. And now create a duplicate of this text layer. Change the position here and type your text. Okay, now select this layer and change the color. And change the color of text. Okay, now drop the composition here and apply the effect, transform, and change the skew to -15. Okay, guys, so it was today's video. And like my video, share, comment, and also subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.